Hey guys, you might be wondering, whose house am I at? Is this my house? Yes, that's my house. This is my house. And this is actually 4th of July. Let's go! So, let's go. Wait, what's happening? Wait, there's what? Wait, there's a what? A snake? Oh my god. Hi, but there's a literal snake here. So, the fireworks are actually pretty nice. I think they're gonna come anytime soon. Can I show the snake? Dad, can I show the snake?
Yeah, if you find it.
Okay. Guys, if I can, I'll show you the snake. Mom, I'll try finding the snake. Because Super Night has a flashlight on it. Holy God. Those fireworks are very nice. Mommy, I got fireworks. Mommy, I got but I don't think we can find the snake. That is a beautiful firework. But we actually have our own fireworks. That's why we made this video. But without the snake outside, it's a nice character to add to the story. If you can find the snake, comment it below. But 4th of July, and this part is about enjoying the fireworks, not about the snake. So I forgot to tell you this. This is the bad boy. That is the nicest fireworks I've ever seen. Bro, green globe. Those are some nice fireworks. And you have some sparkles. Guys, I'm gonna get my sparkle after my brother gets it. Yeah. Oh. It's hard to get stuff.
In the middle, there's fire and it's cracking everywhere. Or the next to it. Here, right. Next to it. Then it will.
I got my sparkle!
Hey, let's connect them.
The super sparkle. And we're gonna get the fireworks ready. So woo! Woo, woo! Move. Start with the red one first. Whoa! Oh, that's a lot. Okay, now second. No, I'll do 2. Okay, Jane, now me and you will do it. Oh, that's the green! Oh yeah, it's a green one. But that's cool.
Okay, guys, this is the yellow one.
So I think it's gonna sparkle yellow, I think. We
This
got
is
it back to
yellow.
viewing, and this is yellow, I think. Yeah, that's yellow. Oh, yellow! It's yellow. That's really cool.
Now, they're doing blue.
Blue.
This is gonna be so cool.
Oh, that's a blue. Wait, it's purple. That is cool. We got the third one. We got another one. Oh! That was a cool.
Guys, are you ready for the second one? It's gonna be cool.
Hold on.
Oh. Alright, make it fast. Make it fast. Yes! If I pass this, make it fast. Whoa! Oh, that's what's green. That's cool again. This is one of my favorites right now. It's like mini fireworks. I saw one big one over there that looks exactly like that. But it's just mini.
Are you ready? This is
The
gonna
fire's
be
going
red.
down.
Red or pink, red or pink, red or pink.
It's red or pink. It's gonna be pink. Red. Red. Oh, that's my favorite. This time, I got my 2 little friends. Now start. Stay back. That is another one. The best one. Oh! Good. Now what was it? Ready. Bro, was it you? Now can you start? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Lighting it up now. That's scary. Oh, that was the fireworks. I like it. There. There we go. A little time. This one now. So it's called the Pros Mixer. Okay, it's called the Pro Mixer. Good. So it's always that thing. Oh! Wow! There's the red and the green. Wait, it's like Christmas too. Oh my god, that hurts. I have my shirt mask on, so I don't breathe any carbon dioxide. And somebody told me to do this while having these fireworks.
This one.
Wait, that one, no, sorry. I will do this. So it doesn't, so the fire doesn't come into my face while it blows up. And one of the other fireworks, the GT was riding.
Stand back.
It wasn't done yet. It only stopped and then restarted. We've had those before. I only need this.
That's a big one. That was a...
That one's crazy. snake, but I had such an amazing time. I met my neighbor too. So, like and subscribe and peace.